Sure. Does anyone know what the name of my song is?
No.
I can give you a hint. It's the same name as my movie.
Beauty and the Beast?
Beauty and the Beast. That's right. Would you like me to sing some of this for you?
Yes.
Okay. And if you girls know the words, you're welcome to sing along, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you want to count to 3 and I'll know when to start?
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
1, 2, 3.
Tale as old as time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly. Just a little change, small to say the least.